Hello there. In this video, Premium Line Slim Type Category 6A UTP patch cord is offered to your attention. It helps to solve the problem of space organization in the switching zone. It is mainly used in computers, routers, switches, telephone landlines and other network communications for data transmission. There are different color solutions. They give variations to the design and connection planning. So you can set color codes and organize your cable management more efficient. It can be seen visually that the Slim Type Category 6A patch cord is much thinner. Here are the Slim patch cord and the normal Category 6A UTP patch cord in comparison. The difference is obvious. Pay attention that the smaller diameter of the cable has a smaller bending radius. It makes it easier to manage cables in high-density areas. The diameter of the Slim Type Category 6A UTP patch cord is 3.0 mm. Space saving to standard patch cords is up to 6.4 times less for UTP type. Of course, the smaller diameter of the cable helps to improve airflow around the equipment. So, the main advantages of this solution: smaller and less cable management, better installation handling, better airflow, reduced weight and fire load. This solution is available for order. For this, contact our sales team. Thank you for your attention.